Flying Duckling. Once upon a time, in a quiet pond nestled in a vibrant green meadow, lived a little duck named Pip. Unlike his siblings who were content to paddle about, dive for water bugs, and bask in the warm sun, Pip dreamed of soaring high above the clouds. He had watched the birds with envy as they effortlessly glided through the sky. Their wings, a blur of beauty, seemed to carry them to magical lands. Pip longed to feel the wind beneath his wings, to see the world from a bird's eye view. His mother, a wise old duck, would chuckle at these aspirations. "My dear Pip," she would quack, "ducks are meant to swim, not fly. Our wings are for paddling, not soaring." But Pip's heart was set on the sky. One stormy night, while the other ducklings huddled together for warmth, Pip ventured out